Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Aprilaire 213 is probably one of the most effective whole-house air filters on the market, designed to capture a significant amount of airborne particles. This filter is engineered to improve indoor air quality by trapping dust, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens. It's a crucial component for anyone looking to create a healthier living environment and protect their HVAC system. Number 5. Aprilaire 413 MERV 13 Air Filter. This is a genuine Aprilaire 413 replacement air filter, made in the USA. It's designed to optimize the performance of your Aprilaire air purifier. This filter helps prevent airborne allergens from circulating in your home. It traps common allergy triggers like dust, pollen, and pet dander. The MERV 13 filter provides excellent performance. It captures a wide range of particles, contributing to cleaner air. Installation is simple with the Aprilaire interlock rail system. Just unpack, slide it in, and close the door. It's that easy. The nominal size is 16 by 25 by 4 inches, an industry standard. This helps you easily find the right replacement for your system. This product supports the American Lung Association's mission. It helps improve lung health and prevent lung disease. What we like. This filter is designed to capture common allergens. It uses MERV 13 filtration to trap dust, pollen, and pet dander. If you have allergies or pets, you should consider this one to create a healthier home environment. What people say. The Aprilaire 213 air filter is a high-quality product that effectively captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. The filter's design allows for easy installation and replacement. It helps to improve indoor air quality. Number 4. Aprilaire 213 MERV 13 Air Filter. This is a genuine Aprilaire 213 replacement air filter, designed and manufactured in the USA. It's made by the leader in indoor air quality solutions to optimize the performance of your air purifier. This filter helps prevent airborne allergens from circulating in your home. It traps common allergy triggers like dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, and dust mites. The filter features patented Aprilaire self-seal technology. This minimizes the amount of air that bypasses the filter, ensuring better performance. Installation is easy with the Aprilaire interlock rail system. Just unpack, slide it in, and close the door. No assembly or extra reinforcements are needed. The nominal size is 20 by 25 by 4 inches. This is an industry standard to help you easily identify the correct replacement filter. It is not the actual size. This product is a proud partner of the American Lung Association. It supports their mission to save lives by improving lung health and preventing lung disease. What we like. This filter also provides MERV 13 filtration, ensuring a clean home. It's easy to install with the unique interlock rail system. If you're looking for a filter that's both effective and easy to use, it's a great choice. What people say. Always fits, easy to install, works great. Easy to install, sort of. It's a bit of a game getting the grooves on the top of the filter aligned at the same time as the bottom ones, but once you've got it, you're good to go. I'm amazed at how much gunk they filter out and how thick these are. They surely trap all the rottenness that gets into the air to save your lungs. These filters are better constructed than other knockoff brands for the Aprilaire system. It is extremely effective in particulate removal. Number 3. Aprilaire 413 MERV 13 Air Filter, 4-pack. This is a genuine Aprilaire 413 replacement air filter, designed and made in the USA. It's built to optimize the performance of your Aprilaire air purifier. This filter helps prevent allergens from circulating in your home. It traps dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, and dust mites. The filter uses patented self-seal technology. This minimizes air bypassing the filter, ensuring better performance. Installation is easy with the Aprilaire interlock rail system. Just unpack, slide it in, and close the door. No assembly is required. The nominal air filter size is 16 by 25 by 4 inches. This standard size helps you easily find the correct replacement. Aprilaire is a proud partner of the American Lung Association. They support the mission to improve lung health and prevent lung disease. What we like. This is a pack of 4 filters, offering great value. It effectively removes allergens with MERV 13 filtration. If you want to save money and ensure you have replacements on hand, this is the perfect option. What people say. Not only are they easy to use, easy to install, long-lasting, but these high-quality media replacement filters do what they're supposed to do: pull all of the gunk out of your air and keep it from running through your HVAC units. The size fits perfectly into my AC furnace unit. Judging from the look of the filter when we go to replace it, it is doing a good job trapping particles. Number 2. Aprilaire 1213 Upgrade Kit for 2120-2200 Air Purifiers. Tired of your old air filter? This upgrade kit offers brand new performance at a fraction of the cost. It converts your existing Aprilaire air purifier to a high-performance system. The included MERV 13 filter removes significantly more particles than the older models. It eliminates more dust and virus-sized particles, ensuring cleaner air for your home. This kit features patented self-seal technology for a perfect fit. This reduces air bypass, ensuring that harmful particles are captured by the filter, not released into your home. This upgrade kit is compatible with other Aprilaire filters, such as MERV 11, Carbon, and MERV 16 filters. You can choose the best filter to meet your specific needs. Installation is a breeze. The upgrade kit slides directly into your existing Aprilaire air purifier. It replaces the old filter with ease. This is a one-time upgrade for the life of your air purifier. Choose this high-performance upgrade to ensure you and your family breathe healthy air for years to come. What we like. This is an upgrade kit that boosts your air purifier's performance. It replaces the old filter with a MERV 13 filter, improving air quality. If you want to upgrade your existing system for better filtration, it is a smart choice. What people say. The Aprilaire 213 air filter is a high-quality product that effectively captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. The filter's design allows for easy installation and replacement. It helps to improve indoor air quality. Number 1. Aprilaire 216 Replacement Filter, 2-pack. This is a genuine Aprilaire 216 replacement air filter, designed and manufactured in the USA. It's made by the leader in indoor air quality solutions to optimize your air purifier's performance. This filter captures up to 98% of virus-sized airborne particles. It also removes up to 99% of allergy and asthma triggers, ensuring cleaner air for you. Thanks to Aprilaire's self-seal technology, this filter minimizes air bypass. This ensures that the air is thoroughly cleaned, providing better performance. Installation is a breeze with the interlock rail system. Simply unpack, slide it in, and close the door. No assembly is required, making it incredibly convenient. This filter has a nominal size of 20 by 25 by 4 inches, an industry standard. This helps you easily identify the correct replacement filter for your system. Aprilaire is a proud partner of the American Lung Association. It supports their mission to improve lung health and prevent lung disease. What we like. This filter offers the highest level of filtration, MERV 16. It captures up to 98% of virus-sized particles. If you are concerned about viruses, or want the best possible air purification, you should choose this one. What people say. Aprilaire offers 4 filter versions for my particular home HVAC system. The 213 CBN includes activated carbon filter material for better removal of odors and VOCs. The 213 Healthy Home Air Filter for Aprilaire Whole Home Air Purifiers, MERV 13, for most common allergens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.